How to create a stop motion video on TikTok. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up TikTok. Now tap on the plus icon. Now click on effects. Tap on the source icon. Tap on the search bar and search for stop motion. Now click on the first filter or effect. Now click on start. Now tap on the screen to add frames. You can tap on the screen to record the moving objects to capture the frames. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or search topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.